Isa ba asa doon? Uno nga rasa sila. So, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel, which is Village Girl Pro, and for today's video is we're gonna do a challenge. So, here's our challenge work. Each contestant will carry a heavy bag and walk as far as they possibly can, and they can keep going for as long as they want. But once they decide to stop, drop the bag. Drop the bag nicely, ha? Nicely, Rose. Or can no longer continue. Their distance is final. We'll measure how far each person made it, and the contestant who carries the bag the farthest will be declared the winner. Now, if two or more contestants end up carrying the bag the same or exactly same distance, we'll have a tiebreaker. What will be our tiebreaker, Rose? The tied contestant will compete again, and they'll carry the bag one more time. Whoever manages to go the farthest in the tiebreaker will officially win the challenge. Do you understand, Rose?
Yes.
So, of course, every challenge needs a prize, right? So, our champion today won't just earn bragging rights. They also receive a delicious bonus of chicken feet. Chicken feet. So, I think the prize will be 500 pesos. Yeah, so there's even more reason to push through and give it a try, everything you've got. So, but that's not all also. We have a secret twist about that one. Huh? Secret twist that secret twist, and even though they will not win, but they will not go home empty-handed also. Okay, so more to.
What is the secret?
So yes, there will still be one official winner who carries the bag the farthest and wins the chicken feet bonus. But everyone who joined today's challenge will also receive a what? Secret. So that's all.
Okay.
Let's see who will win. So we're gonna start the
Challenge.
challenge. First is let's do Rose. So kanang both ladies will carry 25 kilogram of rice, and whoever carry it in the farthest will win. Okay?
The farthest the better.
The farthest the better. So let's see the strength of or the endurance of Rose. Let's see.
And some.
And Sam and Florentina. My God. Yuck name. Yeah, they will go in the motorcycle and try to carry the bag if they can carry it. Naka daw.
Ay mo pagkatawa kay mahugdag mo kusog.
Uy, asa man ko magsugod?
Ang gabi na mga competitive. Very competitive ha.
Sige ko.
Very competitive kaayo.
Start here. Uy, dapat straight. Dapat dati. Wala pa nila po ha? Uy, labot na nila. Labot na nila. Labot na nila. Labot, ma'am.
Pisik na.
Dapat walay labot. Uy, straight mo. Uy.
Sige na, go ahead.
Go ahead. Ay, so dapat maglabot. Dapat dito sa tagikan. Uy, kakapoy na niya.
Sige na.
Ay, ka magsugod. Uy, Ron.
Sugod na ako na ba? Ay, magsunod-sunod na ni sa imo.
Oo, okay.
Pati papirdi sa ate, uy.
Uy, si Flore, asa ko na siya. Ay, tuyok ate, tuyok ate. Ay, nag. Saka na natin, uy. Si Flore, ay, buya.
Wala ka, ati kabuhat lagi ka, Tino.
Sam, anto dito, magsugod sa motor, Sam.
Wala si Flor, ay.
Di na lang to, eh.
pala si Flor. Ay, hello. Hello. Ate, mamaya may bugas, ti.
Mangurong ka sa man.
Di na tabi dyan eh. Di na lang ka pag-ihap niya.
Okay na mo.
Oh, sige, ano lang, ti. Sige, mga na to ha. Sakto na, ti.
Okay, balik mo dyan. Sige.
Ibalik sa dito, te. Tanaw na kasi sa makakaya pa sa isang balik. Ano, tuyok. Ay, sige. Ibuhat. Kaya ako na po. Wala pa siya, murag din ako kaya. Bukat lagi ti ay.
Disqualified na ka. Out na dayon ka.
Siya man mo.
Mag-start here, there, tuyok, ano, like that.
Bukat lagi, uy. Masama pa takaputot. Ano yun? Anak ka, careful. Anak ka, ina-nice ko, an.
Sige, let's get. Sige, bisumbog. Sige. Ano, te? Hello?
Huwag magkaya, basta na niya.
Lord, kanadami ko, Lord.
Anto dito, tuyok. Sus, ang kalayo ang kabiasam, oh.
Bibingo na rin ako.
Sila ko kitang tulama ka daw.
Bukas ang
Pinili sa tutulog ka bukas. Hello, wala tip.
wala ko pakatawa, Rose. Patangas na.
Para lang dyan tayo mada. Dito, tuyok, tiri.
Sige. Hindi ako pagod, ha? Wala ko kayo na.
Sambo na record. Ikaw video lang ha.
Ay, mga wala kita yung ayaw.
Ala, wala kay naisa na ni mo. Wala. Wait, tabang uyab ba?
Ayaw mo.
Hoy, patabang kay uyab.
Para sa bukas. Para sa ako.
Mga competitive kayo. Rose, butang na, Rose.
Apoy ninyo.
Butang na, oy. Rose, makita ka sa send nga video na ako, Rose. Dito sa atin. Tiyan ka sa Insta ba?
Ano ba?
I'm trying nga makatawaran ka. Hello, saan man Enrique? All of us are win. Winner. Naghilak na si Rose. Butang.
Hindi man, hindi mo makargan.
Oo, nangyayon ko na yan.
Hoy! Nag-red na ka! Ay, butang na na! Nasamot ko rin di katubo.
Dito daw, ginawa na. Ilamba ko na ron.
Ako sa ganihan, naglisod ko ginawa ay.
Ay, sanay ako. Hindi ka na makakilagay mo sa nga na. Ang favorite ko na to without holding na.
Ayaw, pati uy.
Oh, without holding na na, oy.
Hoy, paubayan na lang ninyo sa akon, uy.
Ano pa ni without holding?
Pamaymay kayo, uy.
Sunod kayo sa...
Pamaymay kayo,
Sa
uy.
head.
Huma naman ka nag-head.
Oh, pwede na.
Okay, so we're done with the challenge, guys, and as you can see, all of us win. Yes,
We are very competitive. Yes, each ladies are very competitive, and we carried the rice, 25 kilogram of rice from here up to there, and then,
How many, I think, how many meters?
I don't know. Since there's a curve, we have to turn around,
Then,
right.
so,
So now we're thinking what will be the tiebreaker, but I guess everyone did their part. So what do you think?
I think all of us are winner, guys, because we have the different.
Carried the 25 kilograms at the same time.
Uh,
Yes, from here to there to here.
but different strategy.
Yes, in different strategies. With Ate Floor, as you can see, she used her hands, while some carried it
Baby
like a baby, while mine, I carried it on the shoulder. So, the same, not different strategy, but we all won. So, I guess we deserve to have rice.
So instead of doing a tiebreaker, and also we have a bonus, right, which is the chicken feet prize. So
500 pesos.
we will just divide it into 3 because all of us you can see that we already won. We won, all of us. So
You know, we carried the rice from there.
there to there.
There.
So all of us the twist is all of us will win 25 kilograms. Yeah, the price is the price of ganador or the rice is 1.5, right? So I was the one who bought, just that's for me, the 25 kilograms. So I'll give you both a 1.5 or 1,500 pesos, both of you individual, because you carry the rice, and you know we already won, right? All of us won, so yeah, all of us will win. About 1,500 pesos. No one will go home empty-handed. Charis niya. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, wala ni 500. Nagyapon, kana.
No, and the 500 pesos is we will divide it into 3.
Also the chicken feet.
Yeah, that's one only.
Okay.
The 500 pesos, it would be a chicken feet, right? But it depends on you if what you're gonna use that one. Also, the 1,500 pesos, I need rice. So I don't know if you need rice. You can use the 1,500 in different things as long as you need it. So
Ate, siya na pa. Ako na lang ate, tibi. Pwede ito lang kang talon ba? Ikaw mo palit ha?
Okay, so Samantha will bring the rice, and I'll be buying another rice again. What do you
go.
How about you, Rose?
Of course, I will buy rice.
It depends on you if what you're gonna use in the 1,500.
I badly need a rice.
Yeah, her mom wants
We're out
a
of
rice.
stock.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you so
much.
we go.